Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons and figure drawing and manga. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a manga character. So let's start with basic shape of the head. That's the skull. She's going to be looking that way. And we'll bring down the face here a little bit. And this is the jaw area. The neck doesn't start here in a young character. The neck starts around here. So it becomes a big curve. Always make sure that there's a lot of chin in front of the neck. Okay, here is the eye line, kind of low because we're going to make her young. And the edge of the eye will start here, because it's a profile. So this part, this little pointed part, starts on the eye line. And in the interior, the eye, which is inside of these eyelids, is kind of narrow because of perspective, because you're looking at it from the side. It's not that the eye has actually gotten different, it's just perspective. Here we go, a couple of eyelids off the top, and maybe one on the bottom. It's a little smaller usually than the top ones. A nice arching eyebrow. Very thin, that's the genre. And a little shadow over the eyelid. Now right here, the middle of the eye is where the bridge of the nose goes. Big sweep, because it's going to go out like this, and now we're going to go past the outline of the head. So I'll erase this. You see how now we're not using the outline of the head, we're modifying things. That's why we have to make erasures. Nose is here. It's a little break. And now separately, this line goes down here. Let me just get this down again. And we can make this a little rounder. And the top of the head is very round. A little smile. And bring that jaw back. Okay, now let's start with the hair. The bangs come over the head, really in front. There's a lot of extra room. Sweeping down toward the ear. So this part goes in front of the ear. Long, kind of fluid section of side hair. Let's erase here too. And we'll bring the ear back this way. Just poking through like that. I'm going to bring this down a little bit, just a little longer. Like so. Let's bring this up higher. This part of the head is higher than this part of the head. Always. That part is the highest part of the skull. Bring it down. Sweeping line here. We can make a different expression. Let's say make her a little more subtle. How about we go out here? We bring the one lip forward. One lip a little back. Bring the chin a little straighter. Bring the neck down here, a little bit of neck showing. Darken this. And now we can, let's put this down here, shade the top so we can get rid of those guidelines. That's one way to get rid of guidelines is you don't necessarily have to erase them, you can just shade over them. I'll bring that forehead back just a little. Okay, and there is a basic manga character's head. Hope you enjoyed that you'll subscribe, and new videos every Monday. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.